Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to write sentences about what our animals have. Sometimes we use the words have, and sometimes we use the words have a. So we use these special sight words to write sentences about their body parts. If you remember last time, I was writing about pigs. So let me write the date 4/2/20. And let's get started using these sight words. So if we look at our list about animals, we said that, or the diagram, we said that pigs have ears. How many ears do pigs have? Well, they have 2 ears. Eyes, 1, 2. Pigs have 2 eyes. What about the snouts? Number 3, the snout. How many snouts? 1 snout. And the mouth? How many mouths do they have? 1 mouth. Hooves. This is a hoof. This is a hoof. This is a hoof. And there's one in the back. I'll even draw it here. They have 1, 2, 3, 4 hooves. Tail. 1 tail. Legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pigs have 4 legs. When we write have and have a means almost like 1. So you could say pigs have a snout. Pigs, only one mouth. Pigs have a mouth. Pigs have a tail because the word a means 1. We use the word have when it has 2 or more. So, pigs have ears. Pigs have eyes. Pigs have hooves. Pigs have legs. All of these are more than 1. So you can't say have a because it's like they have 2 legs, 2 ears, 2 hooves. So there is no a here. Let's write our sentences. I'm going to write the word have and have a. To remember that that's what we're doing today. I'm also going to draw the foundations boxes around these sight words so that you can remember what we are learning about. So, let's see. Pigs have a. A means 1. So what do pigs have a? Let me see. pigs have a mouth. They have one mouth. And I do my foundations line around the sight word. Number 2, pigs have they have one tail. They have one mouth, one tail. Number 3, pigs have a a snout. This is the snout. They only have one. So pigs have a snout. Here's the snout. And I can't forget to put my foundations boxes around my words. Number 4, pigs have, now this is just have. That means they can have more than one. Pigs have, let's see, what do they have a lot of? Ooh, they have lots of legs. They have 4 legs. Pigs have legs. And here's 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. Number 5, pigs have, foundations box, pigs have ears. They have 2 ears. Pigs have ears. Number 6, pigs have, they have 2 eyes. 2 eyes. Pigs have eyes. We would not say pigs have eyes because they have 2 of them. Number 7, pigs have the hooves. These are the hooves. It's like pig feet. Pigs have hooves. Here they are. They have 1, 2, 3, 4 hooves. Oh, and I forgot the eyes. 1, 2 eyes and 2 ears. All right, boys and girls, today when you are writing, make sure you are careful when you say that pigs have or pigs have a. Okay? Bye for now.